What's up everyone, I'm Rahul Badesra and I welcome you to my channel where I give you tips and insights on fashion, grooming and self-improvement. And of course, upon your request, there are product unboxing and reviews. So today we're going to be reviewing the Beardo Pro Beard Growth Kit. I did an unboxing a couple of months ago. I hope you guys checked out that video. In case you haven't, I'm going to share a link. You can check it out here. I'll also put a link in the description below. So let's get on with the review of this product. So the products that come with this kit included the beard wash, which is about 100 ml. There was a beard growth oil, which is 50 ml. There's a mustache roll-on oil for some reason, which is a part of this kit. That's about 8 ml. And then there is this beard activator, which is a 0.5 mm needle beard activator that's been provided by Beardo in this. So the very first product in this kit was this beard wash, is what they tell you to use as the first product for growing your beard like a pro. So this is about 100 ml. They call it the premium beard wash. The name of this beard wash is the Irish Royale. It's about 100 ml for 350 rupees, which is not bad. So this premium beard wash is suitable for oily to normal skin. It comes with basic functionalities that they claim here are that it's going to make your beard softer, smoother and shinier. Yeah, so that's your beard wash. It's 100 ml in this product for 350 rupees. The shelf life is about 2 years, which is absolutely fine. I think this beard wash, if you're using it regularly for a beard like mine, it can easily be consumed in a month and a half, 2 months tops. So the packaging for this product is mainly plastic. It's got a plastic dispenser on top, and even this is a black plastic bottle. I am personally not a big fan of plastic. I think there are other options available that the brands should actually start using. So that's my feedback on the packaging of this part. So I would recommend that you do your own research. You can just pick up the ingredient list from here and type it into a Google search. You will see all the details about each ingredient, and then you can be the judge for yourself that you should use a product like this or not. So the action areas that this product is promising are soft, smooth and shinier hair. I think yes, it does stand true for all the benefits that it is claiming. But again, my only inhibition is the chemicals that they use in this product. So up to you, your choice. My personal recommendation, I prefer something with natural ingredients for both my hair and my beard. Now we're done with the beard wash. The next step is using the beard oil, which they claim is the beard hair growth oil. I mean, my personal recommendation would be that there is no such product, an oil or a beard wash, which can actually cause hair growth. I've made a detailed video on this about how the brands are spreading unnecessary rumors and trying to hard sell their products, making false claims. If you don't have hair, you're never gonna get it with an oil or a shampoo or whatever you use. So this 50 ml bottle comes at about 750 rupees, which I find is a bit overpriced because there's a lot of oil options, beard oil or hair oil options available in the market that are available for a lot cheaper, and the ingredient list is also much better than this. Once again, the packaging is plastic. It's completely black colored plastic bottle with a flip cap on top. So, and the packaging comes off. Ingredients. Again, I find a few chemicals in there. You can do your own research and check it out. I would not recommend anything which has chemicals in it. So not a big fan. Yes, beard growth oil, as it promises, it's not going to help you grow your hair, but it will definitely add shine. It will boost a little bit of growth when you already have it. Overall, if I look at this oil, it's a good oil, but just for your beard. It's not going to help you grow your hair or anything like that as they claim. I'm definitely sure of that. So you can use it as a regular hair oil, but I think there are a lot of cheaper options available out there in the market that do not have chemical ingredients in them. So please do your own research and be cautious while you're buying anything. Next is this mustache growth roll-on oil. First of all, I don't understand why there is a separate roll-on oil for my mustache when I have a beard growth oil. It applies to both. Sorry. I mean, if I've got a beard growth oil that you claim and I need a mustache growth oil separately for it, like it's right here and it's right here. So I don't understand. I think it's just a marketing gimmick and trying to upsell another product to me. So again, this is an 8 ml oil for 245 rupees. Does not make sense to me why I would need to roll on an oil on my beard and separately on my mustache. If you will look at the ingredient lists in here, again, some use of chemicals. Do not recommend use of chemicals in these kind of products. So go for something which is natural. Oils are definitely meant to be natural, man. So just go for something which is available easily in the market. You can just check it out, search online. You will find plenty of options for yourself in a range of 250 to 450 rupees. Should work for you. The next product that we have, which is the last one on this kit, is the Beard Activator or the Beard Derma Roller. It's a 0.5 ml needle roller that they've given us. I mean, first of all, this is actually one of the products that has been proven scientifically that it does help in hair growth, be it on your face or your head. But you know, you should never use these kind of products without consulting a dermatologist. That's my very first recommendation to you, because otherwise just putting it blank onto your skin is going to cause irritation, it's going to cause redness, it can also lead to swelling. So that's my personal feedback to you. I tried using it. I've got a small patch over here. I don't know if you can see it in this beard. This is a alopecia patch. I tried using it on it. First, obviously, I applied a little bit of oil and moisturizer to it, and then I applied this activator. I frankly did not see any results from it I think I used it for a week or two. Of course, that's not enough time to give it, but I think I would rather live with less hair on my beard than go through such a painful process of applying this derma roller in my beard. So that's my review of this product. It's about 750 rupees. That's the MRP of this product that it comes with. I love the matte finish on the product. It's a cool product to have in your hand and try it on your beard, but it's a painful process. And now, before I conclude and give you my final review of this product, I want you to take a second, pause this video, go hit that like button which you can see down there, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It helps me grow it and makes me understand that you guys are liking the content that I'm making for you and makes it worth my effort as well. So, the conclusion for this Beardo Pro Beard Growth Kit, I find it overpriced. 2000 rupees for this kit is something that I don't feel I find value for money. The beard wash is just 100 ml. It's going to last me almost a month, not more than that. The beard oil is also a little expensive. So I get 58 ml of oil for about 750 and 245. For 1000 rupees, I'm getting 58 ml of oil. Does not make sense to me. I don't think I need a mustache roll-on oil at all. This beard activator is a great invention, but I think it's a little painful, and we should be very cautious of using such a product without our dermatologist's advice. So overall, my recommendation, I don't think it's worth buying a kit like this. You can go for a separate beard or a hair wash with natural ingredients. Go for an oil, could be a hair and beard oil or just a beard oil, whatever that works for you. Or a serum that has come out nowadays, a non-sticky version of oil, also works well. Derma roller, it's a big no from me. But if you're consulting your dermatologist and you've got patchy beard issues, maybe you can just try it out and see if it works for you. I hope it does. Scientific studies do say that it works, so you try it out for yourself. Overall, my recommendation, I don't think it's a kit worth buying. So let me know if you guys want me to review any other products, any other brand kits that you see for your beard, for your personal care, skin care, hair care. I'd be happy to do that. I heard from you guys that you wanted me to review this product. So here it is. I tried using it for a couple of months and put this honest review together for you. I hope you'll find this useful and it'll make you take your decision more wisely while you're spending your money. Make sure it's worth it. So that's it for this video, guys. I'll see you guys very soon. And please don't forget that life is more fun when you're at the top of your game.